Hey everyone, today I'm doing a full review of Zoho Books, one of the most popular online accounting tools for small and growing businesses. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software that helps you manage your finances, track income and expenses, send invoices, and stay on top of your business cash flow. One of its biggest strengths is that it covers most of what a small business needs in one place, everything from invoicing and expenses to banking and reporting. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so even if you're new to accounting software, you can start using it quickly. In Zoho Books, you can create professional invoices, customize templates with your logo and payment terms, and send them directly to customers via email. You can also track customer payments, record bills, and manage vendor payments. A helpful feature is the ability to record advance payments, link them to invoices later, or issue refunds when needed. Inventory features allow you to track stock levels and product valuations. The app integrates with multiple other Zoho products like Zoho CRM and Zoho Projects, and also with third-party tools, making it a flexible choice if your business uses other cloud software. Zoho Books also supports multi-currency transactions, tax handling for different regions, and online payment gateways, which simplifies accepting payments. On the downside, some advanced features like payroll require Zoho's other apps to be fully powerful, and certain customizations can take time to learn if you're not familiar with accounting workflows. But overall, for the price and range of features, Zoho Books is one of the best tools for small and mid-sized businesses that want a complete accounting solution with strong invoicing, reporting, and automation. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss more Zoho Books reviews and tutorials.